How do I prepare a pop-up drink stand for a buyer? You get it ready by cleaning up your numbers, organizing your equipment and permits, and making the stand look like a turnkey business that someone can step into and run on day one. Think of your pop-up drink stand like a lemonade stand you're handing off to a friend, except this friend is paying you real money for it, so you need to make everything super clear and easy to understand. Start by writing down exactly how much money the stand makes and spends each month, going back at least 6 months if you can, because buyers want proof, not just your word. Next, make a simple list of everything that comes with the stand, like the blender, the cooler, the tables, the signs, and any recipes you use, since those little details actually add a lot of value. Something most people don't think about is that buyers love seeing photos of busy days with lines of customers because it proves the stand actually pulls in a crowd. Another thing barely anyone mentions is checking your city permit and health license to make sure they can actually transfer to a new owner, since some cities require the buyer to reapply from scratch. Clean and organize your equipment like you're getting ready for a garage sale, because a shiny, well-kept setup feels more trustworthy than a messy one. One common mistake is not knowing your real profit, because you mixed personal spending with business spending, so keep a separate account or notebook just for the stand starting today. Another cautionary point is forgetting to check if your best-selling recipes or drink names are something you can legally hand over, so make sure you actually own the rights to what you're selling. A lot of sellers also forget to line up a backup location or lease agreement, and buyers get nervous when the spot itself feels unstable, so confirm your spot is secure for at least a few more months before listing it. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.